What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to big SoCal Euro, so it's from LA to San Diego. About to meet up with Nick, a few of the other homies. I think Alex, Jason, I think Fresh Kick is coming, I think John Hicks is coming, and we are going to roll out to this event. It's crazy. I went last year. It's once a year, gets super packed, but the fun part is the drive. So right now I need gas, but I'm gonna fill up and meet up with Jason. So yeah, I hope you guys like the vlog. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure you guys hit the like button, and yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Alright, so we just got to Shell and Jason's here. How'd I leave before you and you still beat me? What the So we're just waiting for me. Alright, let me go put some gas. Did you put 20 bucks?
Huh?
How much did you put? 20?
33.
What number is this? Number 2. Alright. Let me get 40 on 2. Alright, so right now I'm putting gas. How's your car always so clean? What the? How is this possible, bro? And it's not even ceramic coated, but it feels like it is. You're gonna sell me these seats, right? Alright, after this we're gonna get some breakfast burrito and then we're gonna head out to the caravan and get some food and then meet up with Nick and everybody else. It's gonna be a long drive today. A lot of cars, a lot of cars. Alright, we're here at the little meetup caravan. What's up, bro? Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Yup, look, we're out here at caravan. There's a lot of cars. What's up? What's good? How are you? Chilling, bro. Chilling? What? What happened to the wheels, dog? Guys, there's so many cars. It's gonna be a crazy little caravan going on. Try trade wheels with Nick. Jason, this would be sick on your car.
Yeah, I think one of my wheels got bags.
Huh?
He got bags.
Damn, G, you brought out the RA? Fuck, bro, you had to stun on us like this? God damn.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Oh my god. I don't even know how you open it.
It's dirty.
Oh shit. Damn, G.
I got it about an hour ago, so everybody's keep an eye.
Damn, he has this and he has a GTR. You guys go follow his Instagram. Alright, looks like we're all heading out. We're ready. Why do I feel like this is gonna be the craziest freaking caravan on the way to San Diego? Got the homie Aaron pulling up. We got Nick. We got people waiting on the freeway, I think. It's good. exit. The exit is insane. It goes all the way to the back of this freeway. I feel bad for whoever's not coming to this car show and they gotta exit. Traffic building up there, traffic everywhere. But we made it. So many cars. Almost to the entrance. You gotta go up this little hill, left onto the bridge, and it's in that stadium over there. What the fuck? Where is he? I don't see him. Is this shit broken? What the fuck? Bro, where is the cop? I do not see him. What the hell? Shut up! Alright, we're gonna go and park up right now. It's already getting packed. All of this last year was filled. I don't know if you guys were subscribed last year, but all this shit was filled.
Imagine just taking a picture.
Damn, somebody stepped on his lip.
You step on his shit. You look like, oh, fuck.
They're probably trying to take a picture, to be honest.
It's funny.
They're trying to take a picture and they got too close.
The person who did it, like, what they were thinking, like, oh, fuck. Damn, they at least should have said something. I know, I would have been like, yeah, like $100 or something, like, fuck.
Oh, snap. Ooh, M3. Running into M3s, M2, M2, M6. Let's try to go over here. Damn, okay, this is where all the Beamers are at. This is where we need to be parked. All the end. To feel right at home. So the whole squad's parking together. We're parking right here. We're just gonna walk around, check out all the cars, maybe get some food, photo shoot. We got Fabian all the way from, well, actually he lives in San Diego. More M2s. We got a bunch of cars right now. Bunch of cars. Oh, that's your twin, bro.
Oh, but he's on a Maverick? No, all right. All right.
Both V8s. Crazy colors on the M2. Over there is like the drag strip. I'll vlog that too. Ooh. Ooh, Lime Rock. Damn. Do you like the orange? Do you like the orange? Do you like the orange?
Oh, nah, he picked the wrong color.
Fool, you're a hater, bro. Wow, bro.
I don't know.
God damn. Holy shit.
Crazy diffuser.
Damn. The homie F30 Shadow. Crazy build. It's a clean M4. EBS, look at the M5. Crazy ass color of M5. Oh, there's the homie Marv. God damn. God damn, that's a crazy build. Damn, the other homie. Sick M4 build. Wide body. Wow, an E92 M3 taxi edition. That's just crazy. Wow. Wow.
Batteries are crazy.
Dude, god damn. It's blinding.
Damn, Jason.
You're matching, bro. Wow, that's crazy. Let's check out the rear of this car. Oh my god, damn.
That explains that, bro. It's made by Sheepy, so that Charlie guy probably did it.
Dude, that's crazy.
Perfect.
Look at this G-Wagon limousine. I heard you can rent it on Turo and shit. Damn. That's a sick color. Sick color, Nardo. This homie got Chucks. That's a sick color. That's a nice color too. Damn, look at these BBS. Jesus Christ. This AMG GT. I think it's a GTS. This shit is a banger. Bro, this one. Oh my god, dude. This thing is
would be for this
flame.
GTS, but I want it.
Yeah, Alex, all over you.
Same color, bro.
All over you, Alex.
I want that trunk.
Shit's nice. 720S McLaren. Oh, Lime Rock Gallardo. How much did it make? 520.
Don't look too bad. This dip right here,
This shit is sleek. I love the body style on this. This is a nice one. Wow. Fuck. Supercharged Monte. Oh my god. Dude, this one is. Woo. Put on my car? Yeah. This shit is bad, dude. Oh shit, fresh kicks. This is a clean setup. On T's. I think it's mineral white too. Manual. Manual, Alex.
I want that.
Meister shaft exhaust. That's a
Pronounce it. How do you pronounce the exhaust?
super clean. Meister shaft.
Meister shaft?
Meister.
Meister. Meister shaft.
Meister shaft. Oh, you can see it under the thing. Sick.
Pretty sick. I like the size.
Damn. This is a sick lineup. X6M, M5, M3, C63S, E46. Finding Nick, where you at? E all over Nick.
That's crazy. I actually thought about doing this.
I never
Definitely.
seen one slam.
Wow. This is a nice color. Laguna Seca blue. Manual, red interior. Alright guys, so we're back at the cars. Look how packed it is. I told you guys, this shit was gonna be filled. We went through all the cars. I'm not even gonna bother going that way, but I heard there's an orange E90, but I'm still not gonna go over there. We're just parked up here chilling. Oh my god, I dropped my water. Oh my god.
Before they crack your lip.
Oh, that hurt to bend down.
But it was cool. It's just way too hot, dude. Like, we need to do some air conditioning. There's no shade here.
Let's all go in your car and turn on the AC.
Yeah.
Let's go. How do you like it, Alex? Jason's M3.
You gotta get.
Congrats, G.
Orange.
I know. Hey, congrats, bro. Appreciate it.
Peace. Bye, bro.
All right, later, bro. Hey, hit me up for a photo shoot. Sick. E46 wagon. Oh shit. Wow. Damn, that's clean. Alex, look at him, look at him. Oh my god, bro. I want to be like you, bro.
I want to be like you, bro. Be done as fuck.
Let me see. Rev it. V8. That V8 life. That's just fire. All right, guys. So we're leaving Big Euro. We are very, very tired, hungry, hot. We're gonna meet up with the other homies that are from around here, and we're gonna photo shoot, get some lunch. And yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen after, but hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So smack the like button, please. And the homie Fabian. Doesn't know how to drive. Stop getting close to me! Bro! Hey! Chill! Alright, so we're just taking some photos. We got Fabian's M3, Nick, me. It's like a little Skittles going on. Just gonna take some photos. Let me get the thumbnail for this. Oh, this looks fire. Alright guys, so right now we're about to go eat.
Bro,
Nick wants to go home.
Put that fucking camera down.
Nick wants to go home.
Tired.
He's upset because I'm dragging him to come and eat. He wants to go film another vlog without me.
Dude, why we're wasting time? We will be out making a whole.
We can make another vlog when we finish eating.
It's gonna be dark.
We gotta feel. No, you can shoot in the night.
We ate already.
I ate.
I ate already. That's what I'm saying. There's no point for me to be here.
Just stay with me, bro. All right, so we're just putting gas and then we're heading out. Long, long day.